this is for the at-home people and Zoe. Hopefully she can see me and everything. So what we're going to do with our basic setup is you are going to draw just a focus. You are just going to draw these three objects, okay? Now, for the at-home people, you're gonna wanna get something like, if you can find some fruit, some variation in the fruit, okay, is what we're going for. You guys are gonna get to pick. You're actually gonna be paired up. No pun intended. Actually, I will take credit for that pun. Okay, so you're gonna pair up with those fruit, and you're going to be drawing those three fruit together. We're gonna be working on these for a couple days, 3 or 4 days. Now, when you look at this is gonna be on the white paper. So the people playing at home, you're gonna use the white sheet of paper. You're going to fill your paper and you're going to make it large, okay? And you finally have all these colors. You finally get to use these colors. Yay, okay? So you've got a real nice canary yellow. That's a good one. A really nice, vibrant true blue. I like that one too. And then you've got a crimson red. Really like that one. Okay, so those three colors right there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pack and you're going to close it. And that will be it. Okay?
Don't you need green?
No, because these three colors, you'll be able to do everything with these three colors, okay? So if you want green, you're gonna have to make it by using your yellow and your blue, okay? If you want orange, obviously you're gonna need to do this. If you want a dull down red, you're gonna start with red, add a little bit of its opposite, which would be green, okay? So all it is just building up color. So remember all those times where you had to do small consecutive circles? This is where it pays off. So in the 7th grade years, you're like, this is stupid, why'd we have to do this? This is exactly why, okay? Because you're building up, slowly building up, a value. That when you get back away from it, if I wouldn't have told you that this was only with 3 colors, you probably wouldn't have believed me. You would have been like, oh yeah, you used all the colors. You just let a lot of paper show through. No. This is just done with a true blue, a crimson red, and a canary yellow, okay? Your yellow that you have here, I put down a yellow base, and then I add in just a little bit of red to it, and that will give me that orange that is the top portion of my apple. Now, as it goes farther down into the apple, yeah, then it's gonna be a little bit more pure red, but then it's gonna have some shadows in it. And how am I going to make a shadow in a red? Well, I'm gonna have to dull it down. And that's gonna be using a little bit of blue and a little bit of yellow, because that's giving me my green. And that will make a darker red, okay? These colors here, this was actually the table, I think I'd set up over there. This is the table, so that wood grain or whatever, it's not spot on, but it's as close as you're gonna be able to get, okay? So I started with a lot of yellow, add a little bit of red to kind of get an orange feel, and then dulled it down so it would kind of fall into brown. When you step back away from it, it melds together and looks like the brown that you're trying to get. And this is all about optical fusion. Even in the shadow. Now that you're looking at the shadow, you realize, oh my goodness, there's a lot of stupid color in there. And that's what you're gonna be doing here in R2. You're gonna be doing a lot of stupid color, where I'm just gonna be coming around and be like, nah, try a little bit of that mulberry, or try a little bit of this color in there, just to see what happens, okay? Because I want you to experiment. And no better way to experiment than to be forced to only use 3 colors, okay? So that is what we're going to be doing. You'll be doing it on white paper. You're gonna be pairing up with one other person. You're obviously not gonna be sitting at the same desk, but you will have the object sitting on your desk that you'll be able to work off of, okay?